YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto today. Today we are talking about some Toshi, but before we get into the video, I just gotta let you guys know this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, just the homie Crypto J, just talking about cryptocurrency. And today you gotta go speak to a financial advisor. But let's talk about Toshi, guys. I want to talk about it. I know that it's the #1 coin that has been talked about. We've been talking about it on the channel. A lot of people didn't know why I was talking about it so much on the channel, but I was telling you guys week in and week out, we've seen Toshi Coin trending over here on Dex Tools. And the fact that we were creating this wedge, right? We just kept creating this wedge, falling into this oversold zone. We did it 3 times. We did it right here. We fell down and then we shot up like 75%. We did it right here again. Dropped down into this oversold zone. You can see too on the RSI. Shot up like another 70% again. Look at us again. Dropping down, all the way down, 260. Shooting all the way up. Jeez. Shooting all the way up today, guys. Toshi Coin seeing big price pump. Up like 15% right now. Totally amazing, guys. Totally amazing. Look at Bitcoin, too. I told you guys that Bitcoin decided it wanted to stay healthy. Bitcoin today, right now, coming in at 99K. I said, guys, if Bitcoin decides it wants to crank up, if Bitcoin decides it wants to be healthy, then these coins can go absolutely flying. Are we going to see that happen? I mean, are we going to see Bitcoin crank up above 100K and then really send the market really soaring, really soaring? I mean, that's something that, again, I've been talking about the possibility that can happen. Let's talk about it, right? Let's talk about what's going on with Bitcoin. Pretty interesting. You guys could see we could have had a possible blow off top here on Bitcoin. We did touch up here, this 99.5, but then we rejected, right? We dropped down. So it'll be interesting to see if we can continue to rally. We are still creating higher lows on Bitcoin, and we're above 98, which is huge. This is huge what's happening right now. In my opinion, I'm bullish on this. I mean, anything could happen. We could still break back down, reverse trend, right? But in my opinion, pretty bullish on this. I'm feeling good on this pump. Again, there's a lot of stuff that is fueling this Bitcoin price pump right now. But the question is, can we break out of this range, right? Can we break out of this range? We're back down to 98.5 now. We touched 99. Now we're at 98.5. Are we going to create some kind of wedge here? Are we going to continue pumping up? Again, it is Friday now, right, guys? We do break down into the weekend. So sometimes it's normal to see some sell-off into the weekend. But we do want to see Bitcoin start rounding out this pattern, which is kind of what we're starting to hopefully see. Again, we don't want to break down too much here, have too much of a rejection. We want to really hold this 98 range, right? We just reclaimed this 98 range today, and the fact that we claimed this 98 range today brought a lot of confidence back in the market. So we don't want to start seeing a rejection of 98. If we see a rejection of 98, then we might see some fear in the market. You can see we're creating a little bit of a wedge here. I'll show you exactly what I mean if I pull up this right here. You can see how we rejected off of this zone right here. And then now we might be heading towards touching the zone. I mean, it's not the first time we've done it. We did it here too, right? We rejected right here, and then we, turned it back up. We kind of like touched here. So it's not the end of the world that we rejected, and then we went back down. But we do need to still maintain this 98 range. So definitely something that I'm paying attention to. Are we seeing a Toshi Coin break here? I want to know. Now we're breaking back down to 291 million. What do you guys think? Do you guys think that Toshi Coin is going to continue to rally? Are we going to continue to pump, guys? Or is Bitcoin going to see a correction? Is Bitcoin going to be able to break 100K today, guys? That is the real question. Like, is it going to break 100K, or are we going back to the 96 range? We do not want to get back in that 97. If we drop back down to 97, that might cause a little bit of fear in the market. Again, we don't want to have seen a blow off top right here, right? That would be not good. But again, just a little early to say. We're still touching this bottom Kellner channel here on the 1 hour chart. So this is going to take some time to play out. You guys can see this candle has not yet closed. We can still close resting on top of this Kellner channel. And then we can start going back up just like we did right here. Same exact thing, right? We shot here, we rejected, we dropped down, we closed, right on the line, and then we opened up big green. Just depends how these guys want to play this right now. Either want to continue this Bitcoin rally, or again, are we going to see this thing start to drop down? I want to know what you guys think. Let me know in the comments below. Are you bullish on Bitcoin right now? Are you bearish on Bitcoin right now? Do you guys think that Bitcoin is going to hit 100K? Is it going to send the rest of the market flying? Also, how do you feel about Toshi Coin, guys? Are you bullish on Toshi Coin? To me, Toshi Coin is the best, coolest cat on Coinbase. So I want to know what you guys think. Do you guys think that Toshi Coin can run, or are we going to see Bitcoin start correcting? Let me know in the comment section below, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.